This is Beauty on the northeast corner of the Ellwanger and Barry building. She flew over here about the same time as DC did. And he's down on this ledge. See if I can find him. There he is. He was plucking feathers from prey. Looks like maybe he's just gonna guard it now because she's up there. See if we can get them both in. There we go. I'm parked on State Street in front of the Holiday Inn, formerly known as the Rochester Plaza Hotel. So DC was over on the north corner top I-beam of OCSR. I left him to look for Beauty. I spotted her up on the northeast corner of the Crossroads building from the Broad Street Bridge. I came down here, and just as I pulled over, she flew off, and then DC was gone. And I'm not sure which one of them I saw land over here, but they both came over here. And then she flew off. She was further down from the same ledge that he's on. She flew off and came back. Didn't even know she came back. Oh, there he goes.